kids, it's Teacher Patty, and I have a new book to read to you. This came in the mail from my daughter Thea from her great aunt Peggy, and it's called The Good for Nothing Button, and it's by Charise, Mericle, Harper. And it's a Mo Willems Presents book, and you'll soon see why. Look, we have two of our favorite Mo Willems characters, Elephant and Piggy. And here they are.
What are you reading, Piggy?
Tee-hee, nothing.
Nothing? I can see you are reading something.
And look, you can see Piggy has the book that we're reading in her hands. I am reading something about nothing.
That is something I want to read too.
It's Yellowbird. Hey, look. Hi, Yellowbird. Yikes! Look what I have. Wow. Wowie wow! I cannot believe it! What is it? It is a button. A red button. Red is my favorite. I bet because Redbird is red, she likes red. What does it do? Nothing. Nothing? Yes, nothing. Watch. Press. See, nothing. May I press the button? Yes, Bluebird. You may press the button. Press. Wow! Wow what? The button is so easy to press. It surprised me. A surprise is not nothing. That is true. May I press the button? Yes, Redbird. You may press the button. Yay! Button, button, button. I am pressing the button. Press. Aw, the button did not surprise me. See, the button does nothing. Redbird, now you were sad. That is true. And sad is not nothing. Wait, the button cannot make you sad. The button does nothing. May I try again? Okay, fine. Here goes. Press. Nothing! Wow! The button surprised you again. It did. That button makes us happy. This book has lots of emotions in it. Happy button, happy button, happy button. Stop! The button does nothing. See? Press. I am pressing the button. Press. And nothing is happening. It is a good for nothing button. Uh-oh. The button is making him mad. The button is not making me mad. I will prove it. I am pressing the button. Look, I am not mad. I am relaxed. Now the button is making him calm. What? Press, 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 press. The button cannot make me calm or mad or happy or surprised or scared or icky or anything else. Ha ha ha. Yellowbird, we know what the button does. The button makes you funny. Funny? Funny? I like being funny. Funny is fun. Let's all be funny. Then it's press, 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 press. And look at those silly faces. They're like, wah. Funny, 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 funny. Button, button, button. Crash. everything. That is true. What should we do now? More nothing. Nothing is my favorite. And then the poor little worm is saying, that button gives me a headache. Because the button was right on top of the worm's hole.
This book makes me want to press a button.
I do not see any buttons around here.
I do.
Beat, press. I am impressed. The end. Now this book reminded me of a song. Harper, can you come here? Great, let's get ready to sing a song that I used to sing a lot when I was little on the bus about a man named Joe who worked in the button factory. It goes like this. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, oh, push a button with your right hand. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a wife and a kid and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, oh, push the button with your left hand. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I have a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, oh, push the button with your right foot. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, oh, push the button with your left foot. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, oh, push the button with your head. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came in. He said, Joe, are you busy? I said, yes! The end of the song. Now, friends, if you want to get extra silly, you can do your tongue, you can do your bottom, but I gotta be honest with you, I was getting a little tired during that song. What about you, Thea? Tired. It was so much fun, though. It's one of my favorites. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me, and maybe we can sing that song together someday soon. All right, bye, my friends.